Hi, I'm Leon with Audio Advice. We are here today to take a look at the Rega Planar 1, Planar 2, and Planar 3. We'll discuss the differences between them as well as some of the new features Rega has included in the 2016 lineup versus the RP series that they replaced. We've got some exclusive information for you in this video as we had a great dialogue with the engineers in the UK about the feature differences. In 2016, Rega updated their RP line, going back to their roots by reverting back to the original planar name that helped make them famous. In fact, I bought my first good turntable in 1976, and it was a Rega Planar 2. When it comes to turntables, the name of the game is keeping vibration and noise to a minimum. This allows you to get the purest and cleanest sound to your speakers. First, let's talk about a few things that all three tables have in common. The plinths are similar on all three. They use a sandwich construction high-pressure acrylic laminate over particle board on the Planar 1 and a heavier, denser MDF on the 2 and 3. The feet are also the same on all three, though they've been redesigned from the RP line to provide increased stability and to reduce vibration pickup. The Planar 3 is the only table of the three to utilize Rega's signature double bracing, which increases the rigidity of the plinth between the main hub bearing and the tone arm. The Planar 1 uses a heavy phenolic material. It's good, but you'll notice a real difference when you move to Rega's single-layer float glass platter, which is used in the Planar 2 and Planar 3. The Planar 2's platter is 10 millimeters thick, and the Planar 3 is just slightly thicker and heavier at 12 millimeters for a better flywheel effect. A turntable's bearing also greatly affects speed, consistency, and noise. You want it to be as friction-free as possible and to be as rigid as possible to support the platter without suffering from premature wear. The Rega engineers have really nailed the bearing using great materials. The Planar 1 and 2 use a special hard thermoplastic called Macrolon for the hub. The hub bearing spindle is EN31, a very hard tooled steel, and the bearing is a special grade of brass. With the Planar 3, Rega uses the same materials but steps things up to an 18 millimeter bearing well, and the hub gets beefier. You can tell how precise they all are if you just pull up the hub and spindle and watch how long it takes to seat itself. Let's move on to the motors used in these three tables. It's the motor's job to spin the platter at a consistent speed while at the same time not transmitting any noise into the platter. All three of these models use a 24-volt low-noise brushless motor and a motor control board. This helps to maintain that consistent speed we were talking about. It's hard to notice the differences by looking at them, but the Planar 3 upgrades to a high-spec version of the same motor as the Planar 1 and 2. The Planar 3 also allows you to add Rega's external speed control unit, the TTPSU. Now let's look at the phono cartridges that come with these tables. Both the Planar 1 and 2 come with a Rega Carbon, which is a moving magnet cartridge. The Planar 3 can be purchased without cartridge or with the Rega Elise. The stylus tip on the Elise cartridge is a vast improvement over the Carbon and also has a great 3-point mounting system. Finally, let's check out the tone arms. Rega tone arms are known for having incredible bearings and zero chatter. For the Planar series, Rega actually re-engineered all of their tone arms. The Planar 1 comes with the new RB110, which is a two-piece aluminum design. The Planar 2 has the new RB220 arm, a one-piece design that provides more rigidity and features Rega's famous zero-tolerance bearings. The Planar 3 includes the new RB330 tone arm with even tighter tolerance bearings and a new tone arm cable clip. As you move from the Planar 1 all the way up to the Planar 3, the tone arm cable also improves, allowing for better transfer of information with little interference. You even get Neutrik connectors on the Planar 3. All three of these turntables are very easy to set up without the need for any special tools. If you're going to get serious about vinyl playback, the Planar 3 provides the best upgrade path for future add-ons to improve performance. The entire Planar line offers an incredible value in their price range and is built by one of the most iconic turntable manufacturers in the world. If you're interested in learning more about these turntables or purchasing one, we would love for you to visit audioadvice.com. Links to all three turntables are in the description. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook for more product reviews, setup guides, and tips from our team. Thanks for watching.